Welcome to part 1 in a series of videos showing how you can manage workflow in Onyx. In this video we will show you how to create an estimate for a new customer. You have various ways to access features in Onyx. These are shown in a previous video, but in this video we will use the main menu. First we will select sales and then estimate including vehicle. We enter the vehicle registration number and Onyx asks whether this is a new vehicle or not. We answer yes. We can now manually enter the vehicle details if we wish using the drop downs, or we can use vehicle lookup system known as VRM system. The VRM system is a paid for service and you purchase credits to use the system. Please email us for pricing. We will use the VRM system by pressing the small button. Onyx has now returned the vehicle details. And we can enter the current mileage. A further benefit of using the VRM system is that it gives you access to various additional information and also the MOT history of the vehicle, regardless who carried it out. We now move to the customer details. Enter the customer's surname just in case they have been in before, and if they have, you will see them in the drop down list. Otherwise, Onyx will ask if it is a new customer. Answer yes. We now enter the customer's details. Onyx will use the postcode lookup to find the customer's address. There are various information fields that can be filled in for the customer account. And then there are some options regarding how you can contact them. For example, this customer is happy for us to contact them with reminders. They are happy to accept text reminders and emails, but they do not want to receive any promotional material. And finally, in line with GDPR, we will complete the GDPR process. There is a separate video on how to capture GDPR, so for now we will just confirm that they are happy for us to contact them. Once the vehicle and customer is saved within Onyx, you will not have to enter them again. They will be saved for the next time the customer comes in. Onyx does have the ability to create a cash sale if you do not want to create a customer account, but we would recommend creating accounts wherever possible. We now press next, and we are able to add items to the estimate. You will see a new toolbar with add parts and labour. For ease of use, your most common used items are listed in the drop down along with the stock count, and you simply click on them to add them to the estimate, or you can add parts manually. This item is a one-off item and has been added to the estimate. You can also save items to the inventory to save you typing them again. All you need to do is enter a part number, for example W17, and Onyx will ask whether you want to save the item to the inventory. Now if you enter W17, the item will be returned for you next time you need it. Now the estimate is complete, press print, which will save the estimate and display the estimate on screen so that we can either print it or email it to the customer. The estimate has now been saved and we can go back and view it if we wish by going to Sales and View Estimates, where you can print or email again if you need to. You can also edit the estimate. Be sure to watch the next video in this series, which shows how to convert the estimate into a job card.